Claude plus Obsidian. Should be illegal. Every morning, before you type a single word, your AI already knows who you are, what you're working on, every tool you use, every open task, every idea you've ever captured. This setup works with all major coding agents, runs fully local on your machine, and gets smarter every single day you use it. That's not a chatbot. That's a second brain that never sleeps. Think about everything you consumed in the last year that just disappeared. The book you finished and forgot. The podcast that changed how you think about something. Articles saved at 11 p.m. that you never reopened. YouTube rabbit holes that taught you more than any course. Kindle highlights you marked and never looked at again. All of that is sitting somewhere doing nothing. It belongs in your vault. No existing material? Open Claude, talk for 20 minutes about your work and goals. Save that conversation as your memory file. That's enough to make your first session feel like Claude actually knows you. Here's how to set up your second brain in 5 minutes. First, download Obsidian. It's free, works on every platform, and stores everything as simple markdown files on your computer. Create a vault. Leo calls his Leo's workspace. The vault is just a folder. No proprietary format. Just files you own. Download Claude Code for your desktop. This is the coding agent that powers everything. Point it at your vault folder. You don't even need Obsidian open. Work from the terminal and your second brain quietly builds itself in the background. The most critical step is Andrei Karpathy's prompt, split into 2 parts. Copy the first part, then the second. Put them together. This prompt tells Claude who you are, what your vault structure looks like, and how to maintain it. Once set up, Claude treats your vault as its own memory. It reads, writes, cross-references, and organizes without you babysitting it. That's the key difference from every other second brain tool. The maintenance is automated. Look at this vault in action. The graph view shows how all your notes connect. Each dot is a note. Each line is a relationship. Your crypto tools, your research, your ideas. All interconnected. The more you add, the richer the graph becomes. Obsidian is just the window you look through when you want to see what's inside. The real work happens in the terminal, with Claude Code processing, cross-referencing, and organizing everything automatically. 3 operations make this system alive. Ingest. You clip an article. It lands in your raw sources folder. Claude processes it. One article links 10 to 15 wiki pages, surfaces unexpected connections, flags contradictions, and logs exactly what changed. Query. Ask the wiki a question. Claude scans the index, pulls the right pages, answers with citations. Then it saves the best outputs back into the wiki. Insights don't vanish in chat. Your knowledge base compounds. Lint. Once a week, Claude audits your entire vault. Fixes broken links, updates stale pages, merges duplicates, flags orphan notes. Your knowledge base stays healthy automatically. Maintenance stops being your job. Process a call transcript and your entire system updates. Every decision filed, every action tracked. Nothing lost to chat history ever again. The morning briefing. Set it once, runs forever. Every morning Claude prepares your day without you touching anything. Why almost nobody has this yet? The people who built it aren't explaining it clearly. The people who need it don't know it exists. Most second brain projects die the same death. You start organized. Maintenance piles up. You skip it. The system degrades. 6 months later you try to rebuild and the cycle repeats. Claude breaks that cycle permanently. Maintenance is just a command. Reorganizing your entire vault is a prompt. Migrating from Notion? One command processes every exported file and restructures everything into your new system. The human's job is to curate sources, ask good questions, and think about what it all means. Claude's job is everything else. This is just one example of what becomes possible when you treat AI as infrastructure, not just a chat window. Conductor is an open-source tool that lets you run and orchestrate multiple coding agents from one place. It works with Claude Code, Gemini, and other coding agents right out of the box. Visit conductros.com to learn more. Check the GitHub repo, star it, and explore what's possible when you own your entire coding stack locally. This setup runs fully local, works with all coding agents, and takes less than an hour to get running. Build this once. Use it forever. And it gets better every single day you add to it. Thanks for watching. Everything you need is in the description. Obsidian is free. Claude Code runs on your local machine. Check out Conductros.com for agent orchestration and the GitHub repo for templates and prompts. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.